Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get silica pearls in Arc Valguero. First, understand that these valuable resources are crucial for crafting advanced items like electronics and various structures, making them a high priority gather. You'll primarily find them in the colder, deeper waters, and sometimes in specific land-based ice caves. Preparing with the right equipment and a suitable creature will make your pearl hunting much more successful and significantly safer, ensuring you gather plenty. Valguero offers several excellent spots for silica pearls. The aberration trench, while hazardous, is incredibly rich. For a slightly safer option, explore the rivers and lakes within the Chalk Hills region. These areas often have a good number of pearls. Always keep an eye out for glowing clams and small, white, shell-like nodes on the riverbeds and ocean floor, as these are your primary targets. To maximize your pearl haul, proper preparation is key. For underwater expeditions, scuba gear is essential for extended dives. If you're venturing into icy caves, a full set of fur armor will protect you from the extreme cold. A basilosaurus is ideal for deep-sea collection due to its immunity to jellyfish stings, while an otter can passively collect pearls and keep you warm. For the most efficient pearl gathering, always bring a high-level creature with excellent weight capacity, like a basilosaurus, to carry large quantities. Before you begin collecting, take a moment to clear out any aggressive creatures in the area to ensure your safety and uninterrupted farming. Remember to stay hydrated during your adventures. Check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Happy hunting, and may your inventory be full of pearls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.